In this video, I'd like to take you step by step through the process of refreshing your Windows 8 PC. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to reset your PC, then it may be an idea to watch that one. So let's go into our virtual machine we have here, which has got Windows 8 installed on it. And I'd just like to show you, as I did in the previous video, what we have installed on here. You'll see I have installed a few extra Metro applications, Wikipedia, Sky News and Google, and I've also installed 2 Windows 7 applications and pinned them to this start menu, VLC and FileZilla. And if you look at the programs, you can see there FileZilla and VLC are installed as Windows 7 applications. I've also added some pictures to the pictures directory, and also added a couple of documents to the documents directory. Now, in order to refresh the PC, we get the Child's menu up, settings, and change PC settings and general. And we come down to refresh your PC without affecting your files, and we'll do get started on there. A very helpful screen here telling you what will and will not be kept. And now this will go away and prepare. Again, you need to ensure you have either Windows 8 media or a recovery media available to insert at this point. The main difference between refresh and reset is that refresh will keep all of the additional Metro applications that you've added yourself, and will also keep any of your documents in, for example, your pictures or documents directory. Okay, here we go, refresh, and now we're restarting the machine. It's rebooting. I'll just close the full screen down so you can see that here. Preparing to refresh your PC. Again, there's not much else for you to do now apart from wait for it to finish. So I'll just pause this video until it gets a bit further on. Okay, so that's refreshed the PC, now it's rebooting once more. It's just going through another reboot now. Okay, this has now booted up into Windows 8. I'll just log in there. Unlike the reset option where you had to go through all of the installation steps in Windows 8, because we've taken the refresh one now, then it remembers everything that we've done, and you'll see soon that it has saved all of our documents as well, and changes to the Metro interface as well. And there we have it. Windows has now refreshed the PC. A few other questions to ask. Okay, so now we've refreshed the PC. And now let's just have a look to see what we have. Going straight into the Metro interface, you see that we still have our 3 Metro applications which we added subsequent to our initial install of Windows 8. So it's kept those applications there. You'll notice I had 2 icons here for the VLC player and FileZilla, which no longer are on there, which is expected. If we go into desktop, you can see there's a document put onto the desktop here from the refresh saying removed applications. If we click on that, it tells us what has been removed from the PC, so we know what we want to re-add if possible. And you can see there definitely VLC player and FileZilla have been removed. Now the good thing is if we go into our documents are kept, which we had before, and our pictures are kept. So there you go, that is a standard refresh of Windows 8, keeping all our personal data and any Metro applications that we've added. Now the next video I think is a really good video because that talks about a custom refresh. I'll show you how to set one of those up, and then again we'll go through the steps and see how it ends up eventually when the machine is refreshed. The main difference will be that any Windows 7 applications that you've installed will also be there. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.